Looking to stay warm and stylish this winter? In this video, we're sharing the best winter jackets for women. From cozy puffers to sleek parkas, we've got you covered for any chilly day. Stick around to find your perfect fit. And if you enjoy discovering top products, hit that like button and subscribe for more daily recommendations. Number 1. Tumi Down Puffer. Tumi is a legacy luggage darling, so we were excited to try the brand's first foray into outerwear. With a water-resistant shell and a fluffy down filling, our testing confirmed this sleek puffer can withstand chilly days, wind, snow, and rain without leaving you overheated when the sun is shining. The cropped style has a slightly boxy look, but we never felt like it verged on overstuffed pillow territory, and there's a hidden drawcord to cinch the bottom of the jacket to block out air, or if you want to make it even shorter. In addition to the zipper closure, the jacket also has a row of magnetic snap-like closures that makes it easy to close since you don't have to secure each button individually. The fleece-lined pockets also feature magnetic snaps. There is a non-removable hood and storm cuffs with thumb holes, though the fit of them hit pretty high on our palms. They also made our hands feel warm and protected though. The jacket comes in ivory gold or black, and the material has a matte finish that we felt made it feel more luxe than some of the slicker and glossier puffers out there. Number 2. FAL Raven Nuke Insulated Parka. Almost like cargo pants in jacket form, but better and much more stylish. This coat boasts an abundance of 10 pockets that are highly useful. There are fleece-lined hand warmer pockets with zipper closures, 2 chest pockets with button flaps, 2 top-loading bellows pockets, and that's just on the outside. The interior also has 1 zippered and 1 button pocket, as well as 2 more mesh storage pockets. The ample storage was a hit with T+L senior editor Lydia Price, who says, "It's basically a coat and a tote bag all in one." The placement of the hand pockets is just perfect, and the fleece lining is great if you forget your gloves. The wrist cuffs feature Velcro for an adjustable fit, though we would prefer an elastic cuff to seal in the warmth. The jacket has multiple drawcords to adjust the fit of the body, which had plenty of room for layering without it feeling bulky. Number 3. LOCO Claudia Down Jacket. This is our favorite down jacket out of all we've tested, featuring an 80/20 down-to-feather ratio and a fill power of 650. We loved how lightweight and compact it felt, both while wearing it and when toting it around, which makes it versatile for different seasons and easy to layer with when you need extra warmth. It's designed with several thoughtful features, including a removable and adjustable hood, wind-blocking wrist cuffs, zippered pockets, 2-way zippers, and a water-resistant exterior. Over the course of testing, we never felt constricted and appreciated how the jacket folds down and compresses easily, making it an excellent choice for traveling since it wouldn't take up too much space. We packed it multiple times, including stuffing it into a backpack, and the jacket always retained its original shape beautifully. If we're being picky, one of our only complaints was that the zippers sometimes banged against each other when you leave them unzipped, making a bell-like sound while walking. Number 4. Columbia Carson Pass Interchange 3-in-1 Jacket. Who doesn't love a high-value item that you'll get plenty of use out of? This Columbia jacket certainly packs a lot of worth considering it yields 3 coats all wrapped up in one. A lightweight, insulated jacket zips in and out of a waterproof shell. Wear both together as one ultra-warm jacket, or remove either to wear the exterior individually as a light rain jacket or the thinly padded coat on its own as a lighter option. This coat also comes loaded with extras such as an adjustable and removable faux fur-edged and shearling-lined hood, multiple zippered pockets, a drawcord adjustable waist, and cuffs with extended sleeves and thumb holes. We loved how the hood stayed put on our head during testing, but we did not like how the coat felt a bit tight on the neck and chin when you zip it all the way up. Number 5. Heli Hansen Alilia Leafa Loft Ski Jacket. This is our favorite women's ski jacket, and for good reason. The Heli Hansen Alilia Leafa Loft jacket comes with every tricked-out feature we could ever desire when hitting the slopes, including articulated sleeves for optimal range of motion, a detachable and adjustable helmet-compatible hood, wrist gaiters with thumb holes, and a waterproof, windproof, and breathable exterior. We thought the cleverly designed pockets were especially innovative. In addition to dual hand warming pockets, there are spaces designated for goggles, ski passes, and electronics. For the latter, One is designed to preserve the battery life of personal devices, so smartphones won't turn off when exposed to extreme temperatures, leaving you free to snap all the photos you want from the mountain summit.